Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today I'm going to help you through the notes for El cumpleaños y la edad. So I'm in your OneNote, Chapter 2, page 17, El cumpleaños y la edad. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents and make the notes big. Today's notes are short. So la fecha, remember, la fecha means the date. When giving the date in Spanish, use the format el and then the number, day and then the month. Remember, in Spanish, the days of the week and the months of the year are not capitalized. If you were writing out today's date, it would be el 7 de enero. Using this visual, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? What is the date for today? Hoy es, and then you could say, jueves, el 7 de enero, day, and then for now, we'd have to say 2021. Muy bien, just a quick review of la fecha. Why? Because we need it for cumpleaños. Remember, cumple to complete, años year, cumpleaños birthday. To ask someone when their birthday is, you will be asking, ¿cuándo? With an accent mark, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo is the question word when, as we break it down to understand it. Tu is the possessive your. When is your birthday? To answer, you're going to own it, and you're going to start with me. Mi means my. Remember, yo is I, and me is myself, or me. Mi cumpleaños es el and then the number, day, and then the month. Mi cumpleaños es el 29 de marzo. Okay, so you just add in the number and then the month. Okay, muy bien. Let's look at la edad. Remember, la edad, age. To ask someone how old they are, in Spanish, we ask cuántos. I like cuántos, looks like quantity. ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos is the question word for quantity. How much or how many. Años equals years. Tienes is the to form of the verb tener. Tener means to have. So what you're really asking them is how many years do you have? Think about it as how many years have you completed? To answer, you would say yo tengo, the yo form of tener. Yo tengo, put in the number and years. Yo tengo 25 años. Yo tengo 10 años. Yo tengo 13 años. And you're saying I have, and then the number of years. Muy bien. So, el cumpleaños y la edad. Your assignment is to ask 3 people when is your birthday and how old are you, asking them in Spanish. Now remember, you might have to teach them how to answer, so use the notes above to do that. So, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? And ¿cuántos años tienes? Record your answers on the table below. Ask family, friends, or classmates. So if I went up and I asked Susana, I'm going to write her name in because she's the person that I'm working with, Susana, and I'm going to ask her, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? And let's say she answered, mi cumpleaños es el 9 de abril. So I would put in el 9 de abril. Then I ask, ¿cuántos años tienes? And she answers, yo tengo 13 años. That's what it will look like as you fill in the chart. Okay, that is the homework. If you're in class with me, we may have time to get it done. Make sure you go back to Schoology and watch the 2 additional videos that are there about cuántos años tienes and cuándo es tu cumpleaños. They are from Coffee Break Spanish. Gracias.